बोलेगा पता नहीं कौन है.
मेरे को बोलना है, पता है को कौन है.
Hey guys, welcome to Be Gorgeous, and by the title you must have understood what I'm gonna do in this video. It won't be a tutorial stuff. We were having just chill out session at my place and she just got random colors and she just wanted to do hair color on her hair and she just asked me to do it. So I just thought why not to show you all how I'm gonna do it, because it will be the first time I'm gonna dye someone's hair. I've done my mom's hair, but that's a normal dye which we do regularly. We can do it anytime, but this is a proper global hair color which I'm gonna try on her hair, and she has a little bit of grey hair on her hair. So first of all, let me just introduce. She's my best buddy Roshni, and you must have seen her in my lot of vlogs. So a lot of blabbering. Let's just start with the video. I've showed you whatever I'm gonna need in this video, or if I haven't, then I'll show you right now. You just need to take care of your hands, so wear some gloves and just do it. I'll show you how I'm gonna do it for the first time, so please don't judge it. I'm not a professional person. I just do it on my hair the way I know, and that's how I'm gonna do it on her hair. I hope you like it. So if you're interested, then please comment. So for her hair color, we chose this L'Oreal's MAJIREL 8.31 shade, which is a golden ash blonde. And then I wore some gloves to protect my hands and nails, and then I mixed the developer with the hair color. I took 2 parts of developer and 1 part of the hair color. That is how I do it, and that is how it should be, I feel. Then I combed her hair and parted her hair into 2, and then parted her hair into 4 for even application. And then I tied 4 top knot buns. You know, it is a very easy way to take the section if you clip or tie your hair in 4 sections, so that you know you understand you're coating each and every hair color, like each and every hair in a color. She was looking cute, like, you know, this hairstyle is very cute, no? And then I took some Vaseline, applied around her face, as in hairline, forehead, around her ears, around her neck, on her ears, back of her ears, everywhere, just to prevent the hair color going on our face and like leave some patches of the hair color on our face. So yeah, I took the lower, like opened the lower bun first, and then took a section from that lower bun and then combed it, make sure there are no knots, and then started applying the color from the roots. So that, as in, I took this, like applied this color from the roots, and then I came down gradually with the brush only. I flipped her hair upwards and then applied the color everywhere, so that I am sure that the color is coating each and every hair of that section. Then I slowly took that color down with my fingers and made sure, yeah, every hair is coated in that color. And then I gave her a towel just to protect her top from getting, you know, spoiled in this coloring process. And yeah, if you guys see us doing any weird things, then yeah, we were having a like pajama party sort of a thing at my place. So yes, while coloring this, we were having fun with our 2 more friends who are behind the camera. So yeah, that is how I colored her like hair, applied her hair color on all her hair. As in, this is how I did it, and I'll get back to you when I am done with the application.
Yeah, you know what we is. Sometimes you gotta stay. Welcome to my house, baby. Take control now. We can't even slow down. We don't have to go a while. Welcome to my house. Play that music too loud. Show me what you do now.
Yeah, so once I was done with the hair application, I combed her hair with a white tooth comb, And yeah, I want to tell you one thing, that we did this procedure one more time, as in after washing and dried her hair. Again, we repeated the same procedure one more time because we wanted a lift in the color, and even we wanted to hide her grey hair totally. She only told me that you have to do this procedure twice because I have grey hair, and for grey hairs you have to do this procedure twice. So I did the same, and then I blow dried her hair with a hot setting first, and when it was dried till 75%, I applied some serum and then again dried them with a cold setting. So I'll show you I'll give you a closer look how it looked like with the first wash and how it looked like with the second wash, as in with the second coloring for the second time as well, as in this is how it looked like when we did the color for the first time, and this is what the closer look is. The camera is not catching the grey hair, but yeah, there were grey hair, and we did this procedure one more time. So this is what her hair was before coloring, and this is what we got after coloring her hair with the same shade twice. And I am so happy with this hair color. She is very happy. That's the main thing, that she is happy. I hope you guys are happy too, and you guys have liked it too. And if you have, then please give me a big fat thumbs up for this video, and do subscribe to my channel if you haven't done that already. I'll see you next time in my next video. Till the time, you guys keep loving me like I do. Bye bye.